The Starlink Gen 3 RV ladder mount kit is designed to provide universal compatibility with ladder rails ranging from 0.5 to 1.2 inches wide, making it suitable for a variety of ladder sizes. Constructed from premium-grade steel, this mount kit ensures heavy-duty security, providing a stable and secure foundation for your Starlink equipment in diverse weather conditions. The innovative design includes a user-friendly installation holder that allows you to attach the Starlink pole from the ground, eliminating the need for climbing ladders, thus making the setup process quick and hassle-free. With easy adjustability, the mount allows for precise alignment of your Starlink dish, maximizing signal reception and ensuring seamless connectivity during your travels. Built to withstand the elements, the weather-resistant durability of the mount kit ensures long-lasting performance and reliability even in challenging environments. The comprehensive installation package includes an 11-foot aluminum alloy telescoping pole, a Starlink Gen 3 adapter, a durable nylon storage bag, and all necessary screws and accessories for a smooth and convenient installation process.